Meet the ISOCELL GN2, a bigger image sensor designed for snapping bright, detailed photos. The ISOCELL GN2 is packed with 50 million 1.4 micrometer pixels. When taking pictures, Mosaic algorithm creates red, green, and blue pictures in 50 megapixels, and the sensor upscales and merges them to produce a 100 megapixel shot. The ISOCELL GN2 is the first image sensor to feature fast and accurate Dual Pixel Pro autofocus technology. It works by placing two photodiodes into every pixel and divides green pixels diagonally to compare not just the left and right phases, but the top and bottom too. In dark environments, the ISOCELL GN2's tetrapixel technology combines 4 pixels into one big pixel to help you capture brighter and clearer night shots. Plus, a multi-sampling process allows it to average multiple frames to reduce noise. According to the lighting conditions, the ISOCELL GN2's Smart ISO technology selects a low ISO setting when it's bright to express every color vividly, and a high ISO setting when it's dark to capture brighter pictures. Smart ISO Pro takes this technology a step further by combining high and low ISO readouts of the scene into one lifelike high dynamic range image. The ISOCELL GN2 also comes with staggered HDR technology, which captures 3 frames in different exposures and merges them to produce rich details and colors. With support for 8K video recording, the ISOCELL GN2 changes the way you capture content and allows you to record truly epic videos. Give your creativity more room to shine with the ISOCELL GN2.